mower tires, any kind of tire, if it's got dirt right down in that beautiful crack, she ain't gonna seal. Now we got us some grease on a rag. We're gonna wipe it around these grooves real good. This is always fun. But you get it all the way down in that groove. See that dirt on there? That dirt will keep it from sealing good. Alright, now that you've done that, we're going to cheat a little bit. We're going to give it some great American-made Fix-A-Flat right here. Take your nozzle off, your nozzle cover. Kind of pull your tire into place. Shake your can good. Almost like you're mad at one of your kids, and just shake the fire out of it. We've got one of them cans that don't want to go on. There we go. Of course, it's evident it's doing something here working, because it ain't blowing out the sides, just the valve. That means the valve is leaking. But that's all you do, and your tire will be ready to go. Enjoy the video. End it.